Hey guys, welcome to Kayla Clark TV. Today I'm going to be harvesting some lettuce and thyme from my garden, and then I'll be taking you guys along with me to cook a simple vegan meal. In this video, I'm cutting off the tops of the lettuce with a sharp knife. If you use a sharp knife or a sharp pair of scissors, your lettuce will keep regrowing over and over again until the end of the season. Now that I've harvested some thyme and some lettuce, I'm going to give them a good wash. And I'm also going to wash some lentils and pick out any pieces that I don't like. Next, I'm going to open up a can of coconut milk and pour about 1 cup of coconut milk into the pot. And then I'm going to pour 4 cups of water in there along with it. I don't usually use lentils for my rice and peas. I usually use kidney beans, but lentils cook way faster, and I also do like the flavor of lentil peas. So I added just a couple drops of Scotch bonnet pepper to it and then some seasonings. Usually I would add like actual onion to it, but I just did not want to grocery shop because you know how stuff is right now in the world. So I added onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and then I added a dash of red pepper flakes at the very end. So I add some vegan butter, a spoonful, and off camera I actually added a little bit of oil as well. And then after I add salt. I do not like bland rice and peas. It does not make it very salty, the amount that I put in, but I just put enough for it to have a little bit of flavor. Lastly, I added the washed thyme, a dash of red pepper flakes, and covered it and brought it to a boil. Alright, it's boiling, so that means I gotta wash and add my white long grain rice. I add 3 cups of washed rice in, and then I stir it together and cover it back up. So now I gotta turn my heat all the way down to low, cover it up, and let it cook for a while. So I don't usually use this frozen seasoning blend. I usually use like my own seasoning, celery, scallion, and whatever else I need, but I don't have that at the moment, so I'm using this frozen seasoning blend that I thawed out, putting in 3 tablespoons of mild jerk seasoning, and then I'm adding some water and some Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. So once I did the first blend, I did realize that I wanted to use some more of the seasoning blend, so I thawed out some more, added it, and then blended it again. This is what I'm going to use to marinate my chicken in. I marinate the vegan chicken in it either overnight or for a couple of hours. I didn't have that long, so I marinated for a couple of hours in this bag. And then afterwards, that same sauce is marinating it in. I'm going to use that for the jerk barbecue sauce later on. So in the jerk barbecue sauce, off camera, I added the rest of the seasoning mix, some barbecue sauce, some ketchup, and now I'm just adding some more. I use some water to thin it out, and I pretty much just keep stirring it and tasting it and seeing what I need to add. And then finally I add the chicken that I added to the air fryer. I actually rather baking the chicken instead of putting it in the air fryer, but I was just trying to test out the air fryer, so I don't think I'll do it again, but it came out alright this time. So with the rice in its final couple minutes, I put some foil on it, and then boom, here is the finished rice and peas. Finally, I am making the salad. I cut up some cucumbers, some tomatoes, and then I end up adding the lettuce and then some olive oil, stirring it together, and finally my salad is done. So I'm just making a quick little potato salad at the side. I'm just taking a cooked potato, dicing it up, adding some vegan mayonnaise, some seasonings, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and then I add some black pepper and seasoning salt as well at the end. I add some mustard, just a little squirt, and then some sweet relish. And when I add the mayo, I mix it all together, and that is it for my potato salad. I just add that to our plates, and then the final result is here. Thank you so much for watching Kayla Clark TV. Please comment, like, and subscribe. If you would like to see more vegan cooking videos, let me know in the comments below. And lastly, I want to show you guys my favorite vegan ranch. Like, I have not found any other alternative that has tasted this close to ranch. So if you're a ranch lover like me, please check it out.